Jasmine and Jose want more force. Jose and Jasmine are playing at the playground with their favorite car. How can they make the car move? They need to use force. Jasmine pushes the car, and the car moves in the direction of her force. But it didn't go very fast. How can Jasmine make the car go faster? She needs to use more force. Jasmine uses a bigger push, and the car moves faster and farther. How can Jasmine make the car go even faster? She needs more force. This time Jasmine uses her very biggest push, and the car does move faster. Jasmine observed that when she pushed the cars, a bigger force meant the cars would move farther and faster. Can she make the car go even faster? Jasmine already used the biggest push she could. Can you think of a way that she can make the car move even faster?